key people one can say that my first for ne.
Okay, first for Benya can do here Agyapong.
Yeah.
Brian Champong.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then, National Executive Council of the New Patriotic Party, Ekwakoshia. As you already know, most of the time, Omushia or Alisa Hotel. Now, earlier today, Ghana and TVGH, ya monitor. Now, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, the former president of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Dr. Bawumia, so, former vice president of the Republic of Ghana, and then flagbearer, and the rank and file. Now, we have also been told, say, and then Professor Mike Kwe committee NPP for set up to investigate what led to the woeful defeat in 2024 election. And then Omu report a part of Omu findings when they went through the whole country, what led actually to the defeat of the New Patriotic Party 2024 elections. And then they are going to expose it and lay it before the National Executive Council so that you can start discussions around it and start talking about steps they want to take to bring about changes in the party. So whilst all these things is going on, Ghana and TVGH, we have been able to at least come up with a list so far. Nkrofo mpese omuli the NPP party going into the next election. We have been able to secure at least the name of the first 5 people who have so far shown interest whenever the party opens nomination towards the 2028 elections, Omuna Ombe contested to become flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. And Edino Omuye Nipa 5, as I've mentioned to you, and we are going to take all 5 of them and quickly tell you, give you an idea about who they are and possibly their age, and then how much money so far they have. Because sika de hu hiampa oni ska untimi run campaign. Enti wow was sikana. We say oni ska otiti o joint enyesa. Enti ebe check yomu net worth na ya catch them, then also ask you who is your preferred candidate for to lead the NPP in the 2028 election. And without much ado, the first person on the list, and let me quickly issue a disclaimer. Say, make us first, and say the list is not in any order, right? To Mbeka say, Nipa win or the first, and just say Nipa winner, winning elections. No, Sakra, I mean, some order, corner, me start a free crana. Me one sem. And one of the 5 people so far, your name say or no, is going to contest in the party's primary. Honorable Samuel Adenimo. He is going to contest. We are reliably informed, say, Honorable Samuel Adenimo, he is going to contest in the coming elections, right? And Honorable Samuel Adenimo, a Ghanaian politician and a member of the New Patriotic Party. He has been an MP before, and he served for Ahafo Anon North since 2016. Or Free Ashanti region, and are focusing on constituency development, including roads, schools, water projects, and supporting policies like free senior high school. Oye Christoni, and his personal life is private with no confirmed details on family or education beyond likely tertiary qualification.
Dr. Osei Educhum.
Yeah.
Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia.
Okay, so that's the first 4. And whether as we move on, this is how we can reset the country. Why be you?
Honorable Francis Adenimo, former Santimanpo MP.
The true one does someone, sir. I'm surprised. Nobody does this. A fantastic man. But I say back or woman that it only be better than Oba. there's a day a Ghana for betinasi, NPP for betinasi, ebia this is the day a eba or metia day ni mwasi na bibi atimi. To abeka I'm not I5. Yes. All right. So yeah, so the countdown is on. Yes. Again, Mamen Sankai obi say Dr. Manebo Amanso Akasa. I'll say Galamsey Kono Kasa Kiti.
Now, we have not been able to come out per se with his net worth, but we can tell you, say, Udinik parliamentary parliamentary salaries, who calculate here now, who check average now, ebia ska be between $500,000 to $2 million. And that is what we have on Honorable Adenimo. Nipa baku swap say or contesting in the next election, Dr. Yao Osei Educhum. Dr. Yao Osei Educhum. Now, Dr. Yao Osei Educhum, he was born on the 9th of April 1964. Ewo Jachi in Ghana here. And or a Ghanaian politician or a educationist and a member of the New Patriotic Party. He's serving as the MP for Busumtwe since 2016, and he served as Minister of Education from 2021 to 2025. He had his tertiary education at KNUST and in the US, where he got a PhD. He taught in Los Angeles, found new design cluster of schools, and he implemented free senior high school policy. Now, we entirely accurate. As I say, free senior high school policy, it was implemented under NAPO as Minister of Education. But at that time, now Dr. Educhum now a deputy minister. Okay, and he promoted STEM education, initiating 35 senior high schools and 5 universities. He is married with 4 children. He is a Christian and a philanthropist. The estimated net worth scale a year between $1 million to $5 million based on his education and political career. Now, next person our listeners to here on Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Now, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, he was born on October 7th, 1963. Tamale, Ghana. He is a Ghanaian economist and politician who served as Vice President of Ghana between 2017 and 2025 under the New Patriotic Party. He had his education in the UK and Canada. He holds a PhD in economics and worked as an economist, professor, and deputy governor of the Bank of Ghana. He was NPP's vice presidential candidate in 2008-2012 and presidential candidate in 2024, losing to John Dramani Mahama. Known for leading Ghana's digital initiatives, he is married to Samira Bawumia and has 4 children. The estimated wealth, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, one estimation here between $5 million to $20 million based on his banking and political career. But some unverified claims say Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia is worth up to $250 million. Next on the list, Honorable Kennedy Ohini Agyapong. Kennedy Ohini Agyapong was born in June 16th, 1960. In Asindompim in Ghana, or a Ghanaian politician and a businessman. He has been the MP for Asin Central since 2000, chairing the Defense and Interior Committee of Parliament. He ran for NPP presidential candidacy in 2023, but lost to Mahamudu Bawumia. Kennedy Agyapong owns the Ken Pong Group, including Oman FM, Net2 TV, Ash FM, Asin Farm, and over 147 properties. Wow. Known for his controversies, including remarks against journalists and officials, he faced contempt charges and 18 million defamation suits lost in 2025. He is married to Stella Wilson Agyapong. He has 22 children and owns luxury assets like a Rolls Royce and private jet. Can Agyapong or private jet? And I'm sure. Now, his net worth estimates between $120 million to $500 million based on his business and real estate, with unverified claiming that he has up to $1 billion. And per way your investigation, we can say Kennedy Agyapong might be a billionaire. Let the money flow. Now, next person on the list, Honorable Brian Yao Agyapong. And Brian Agyapong was born on 27th November 1972. It was Sohun Ghana, or a Ghanaian politician and businessman and a former US Air Force officer, an NPP member. He has been MP for Abetifi since 2016 and served as the Minister of Food and Agriculture. Brian Champo was educated in the US and UK. He holds a degree in business, intelligence, and law. He owns Rock City Hotel, Okwewu United FC, and his Brian Champo Foundation supports education and farming. A Presbyterian, he is unmarried and private. Brian Champo ni yeah, bro, for son, Naman and Muchocho go fire politicians. No, Mushe you, Rade. Man, so we are supposed to have Ghanaian news portals that are interested in the lives of politicians and come up with biographies. You leave this thing for white people to write. You see the things they are writing. You see Brian Chaponiri. Sir, his net worth is between $5 million and $20 million based on his hotel, real estate, and political career. So far, these are the 5 people I heard him say they have so far declared intention that they want to contest to become flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. As and when we have more update and new people who want to join this whole group, we will make them available to you. This has been the Political Round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.